This video will cover the Vertiv DSView solution RM1048 unenrollment from the management platform. You can do this through the web interface or through the CLI. To unenroll from the CLI, I'm opening a PuTTY session to my RM1048. Once logged in, select Option 4 to show/configure the manager. In the Show/Configure Manager menu, select Option 10 to disconnect from the management platform. Once you hit Enter, you'll be asked, "Are you sure you want to disconnect from the appliance?" From here, you'll input Yes, and then you should see a prompt stating the RM1048 has been disconnected from the appliance. That concludes unenrolling the RM1048 from the MP1000 through the CLI.